Friends, today we shall discuss the same chapter named Joint Stock Company, which we have started yesterday. Today we shall discuss the topic objectives of Joint Stock Company, first topic, and second and third topic merits and demerits of Joint Stock Company. First point, last day we have discussed the features and difference between joint stock company and partnership firm. Today I am discussing the objectives of joint stock company. First point, rapid industrialization. Rapid industrialization, it means for a rapid industrialization of a country to achieve the 5 years plan, it is very necessary to rapid industrialization of new industry. For infrastructure, development of infrastructure. Infrastructure consists of power generation, oil, cement, and other things. If these things, that means if the infrastructures developed to help the rapid industrialization, this is the first object of the joint stock company. Second one, large scale of production. Large scale of production. What do you mean by these things? Large scale of production means economic progress is depends on the large scale of production, on a better production or better productivity and quality of product. Without quality of product and productivity, it is not possible to large scale of production. Joint stock company produced a large scale of production and distribution of goods and services from one place to another place. It is not possible for sole proprietorship and partnership. The large scale production and distribution of goods only possible in joint stock company. This is the second object of joint stock company. Third one, better utilization of resources. Better utilization of resources means joint stock company utilize the national resource, optimum utilize of national resources. National resources means either coal or iron ores or any other things. Optimum use, minimum of wastage of raw materials or natural resources. And it is also use the unutilized resource, unutilized reserves. Joint stock company also use unutilized reserves like a garbage in different metropolitan cities to use the modern technology for different biogas for modern technology. Biogas, produced a biogas from the garbage, unutilized reserves. It is possible by it is another object of joint stock company. Next, mobilization of ideal resources, mobilization to joint stock company mobilize the small and ideal financial resource as a capital, and joint stock company form a capital utilization or increase the rate of capital formed in a company. Next, self-reliance. In according to self-reliant, the underdeveloped or developing country like India to produce or to form a new industries like a crude oil, produce a crude oil or any other things for exchange the to reduce the import and payment, reduce the payment bill, input payment bill. It is possible to form a new industries and substitute of export to help the to reduce the input and to produce export goods and export to other country to earn foreign exchange. Next one, growth of social sector and rural economy. Social sector, joint stock company, another object of joint stock company. Growth of social sector. Social sector means to develop the insurance, banking and other sectors to grow the social sectors to economically beneficial to the society. And joint stock company also ergo based industry in a rural sector like a sugar, like a cotton. This is the ergo based industry in a rural area for developing the rural area also. Next one, employment generation. Joint stock company to provides directly huge number of people for employment, and joint stock company also create a employment generation in ancillaries of their joint stock companies, ancillaries of the joint stock companies. Next one, improvement in standard of living. Standard of living depends on the joint stock company also improve the living standard of human beings. It is possible only supply the better product, quality product in reasonable price. For example, yesterday luxury goods, today necessity goods. It is possible for joint stock company to produce the new product, new idea for use the new technology. Thank you.